Hello, everybody. My name is Taylor Perry, and we have with us Matt Collins with the Matt C team. And we wanted to talk today about going out house hunting. You're looking at houses. What's the magic number to look at before you make an offer on a house? Do I need to see 5, 10, 1? How many do I need to see?
You know, that's a fair question because I get asked that almost on a daily basis. So we've worked so hard to get our pre-approval. We've done everything to get our financing down, and so now we're ready to start house hunting. When do I know?
Right.
And so as your agent, I will sit down and we'll go over what are our needs, and our wants, and what are our must-haves in the new home. And as an agent, I try to narrow that down as much as I can. But ultimately, the clients will know when they found the right home. Now, that might be the first house we walk through. It might be the 50th house. But we've done all the prep work. We know exactly what we're looking for and what's important. And what I like to tell my clients is, when you walk through the front door, and it sounds hokey, but it happens each and every time. When you walk through the front door, you're going to get an overwhelming feeling of, I'm home. And you just feel that comfort. And that's how I know it's time to stop. It's time to start putting our offer together and trying to make that the house of your dreams. So that's, again, might be the first house, might be the 50th one,
right.
But what we're looking for is just that overwhelming feeling of being home and being comfortable. And so there's no rhyme or reason.
So if you're ready to feel that overwhelming feeling of
That's right.
being home, call us. That's what we're here for. But if you found this helpful, we would appreciate it if you liked and subscribed, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.